Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Check that you have storage and battery. Make sure your OS is current because updates fix compatibility. Sign into the correct store account, confirm payment and region settings, and then restart both your device and router to clear temporary issues. Once done, close background apps to free memory. Doing these steps immediately eliminates many common errors and prepares you for the deeper troubleshooting that follows. Next, you dig into the complex middle steps to resolve persistent problems. Clear the store app cache or data to remove corrupted temporary files, because that often restores normal behavior. If specific apps fail, update or reinstall them. Choose Wi-Fi for large downloads, but try cellular if Wi-Fi is unreliable. Also inspect VPN, proxy, or firewall settings and disable them temporarily to test connectivity. These can block purchases or downloads. Make sure to note change. Finally, you complete the repair and verify the store functions correctly. Sign out of the store, sign back in, and force a sync so purchases and subscriptions refresh. This resolves account mismatches. Then install a small test app or download an update to confirm transactions work. If everything succeeds, you're done. If not, check the system error code or logs for clues. And as a last resort, reset network settings. This usually clears lingering connection problems without wiping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.